guys, so today we are going to be making slime, and I'm going to show y'all some tips and tricks to fix your slimes if they're super sticky. This is my sister. She's about to turn 5. Okay, so be sure to So I'm going to show y'all some tips and tricks on how to make slime not sticky. Because after you make slime, and sometimes your slime is sticky, I'll show y'all some ways or recipes to put on your slime so it won't be so sticky. So let's get started. Stop, Haley! I'm sorry. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be testing out is this crazy slime. It is teal, pre-made slime. Oh, it's crazy art. I love crazy art slime. And so let's open this slime. Whoa, that went flying everywhere. And it's super bubbly. I don't know if y'all can see it. It is like bubbly. That was so sticky to me. Let's just get this slime out. Okay. So here's the slime. And I am going to be making some bubbles with it. Whoa. So here's... Whoa, that did not turn out well. I love this slime. Now this slime isn't sticky that much. It is not that sticky. I just like the texture of it. That did not work out. No! I thought that was going to make a bubble, but didn't. I am going to make a slime swirl with this much. Let me just take this slime to make a slime swirl. Okay, here we go. Oh, there it is. It's not that good. Not that good at making it, but I would just like making slime swirls. This is super fun, but see how it's sticking to me? That's just weird. It can come off, but it's still a lot. I don't like slime to stick that much. But here's the solution on how to make the slime not so sticky. I know, right? So here's a bowl of room temperature water. And I just sprinkled a little bit of baking soda in this. Now, once you do that, you just kind of stir it. It doesn't have to dissolve, but once you do that, you're just gonna need to sprinkle a little bit on your slime. And then it's not so sticky. Now it will kind of feel wet at first, but just kind of exercise it with your hands, and then it won't feel so bad. Just put that aside. So once you kind of exercise that with your hands, it should be pretty good. And now let's test out some of our other slimes that are over there. Now some of those slimes over there aren't really sticky, but I just make it. Well, I just want to test it out. Let's set that aside. Now these two I felt and I made. They're super, super, super sticky. Now this one lost all of it, except for a little bit, because I accidentally put on nurse gloves, whatever those rubber gloves are, and then half of it got on it, and so had to throw those gloves away. And now I only have this. Now I already sprinkled a little bit on this just to make sure it worked. And now it's not really sticky. I can go get the gloves at the end to show y'all how sticky it was. But don't sprinkle too much, otherwise it will start to rip. Like this one. I can't stretch it that far. So yeah, this is just like a nice texture with the foam beads in it. Now this one is super nice. I love this. I love this one. I just love it. I like to play with this, even though I've been playing with it a lot all day because I just now put the baking soda stuff in. I played with it ever since. Oh my gosh, look at the clock. And so these, be sure to watch my other videos where my sister and me do like that spinning wheel game, but we actually draw numbers. And we made these. Not all of them we did that. Well, these aren't even the ones we did it on. This is my favorite slime, but eventually all of these slimes start to get sticky. This one hasn't. This slime has not, but it's starting to. Let me zoom out for you. This slime isn't that sticky, but it's starting to get it. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip all those and get ahead to the 3 pound slime. And so, yeah. So I'm zooming out. Well, not really out. But I want to make sure y'all can see all of this. And so I am going to bring my 30 pounds of slime. Whoa, that went everywhere. Look at that. This is just bubbly. Because I just put it up from playing with it. And it's just bubbly. Now look at my hands. So I'm going to go clean these off. And I will be back. Okay, so I just went ahead to get all of these out. Now this green one is super soft and squishy. I like playing with this one. Now this one is super, super stretchy for doing bubbles. And this one, it's both of these combined. So I like playing with it. That was not good. But yeah, so we are gonna play with the blue one first. Okay guys, that took about for 5 minutes to put up because of how sticky that was. My hands are still all messy and stuff. And so yeah, kinda got the colors mixed up. It's still okay. Oh my my gosh, that was so big. I wish I was here to see that. So for those of you, I am gonna make a video of me and my friend pretty soon. And so y'all probably will know, if y'all go to my school, know who she is. Her name is Abby. And so yeah, hope y'all see that video. I have no idea what we're gonna take a video about yet, but we'll just see. See how sticky that is? I am so good at sprinkle some of the warm room temperature. I have it. If y'all don't have like room temperature, just put a bottle of water out for a night or so. Leave it out for a while until it gets about warm. And then so, yeah, and then it will be like room temperature, if you don't know what that means. But, and then mix some baking soda in with it, and then sprinkle some of that onto your slime. Make sure when you sprinkle it on, you get the baking soda, because you don't want the baking soda to like dissolve in it, but you don't want it to dissolve. So while it's like, if it's sitting out like it is during this video, when you get some, make sure you get a pinch of the baking soda too, and not just the water, otherwise it won't work. This table is going to be so messy at the end of this video. So I'm going to put this blue one up because we don't have that much time left. That's just weird. Okay, so this blue one is really messy. And so I'm just going to work on this. And if you don't feel like the baking sodas work, like this baking soda is not really working for me, just kind of put it in a couple of times until it starts to be working. And so, yeah. So I'm gonna put this up and then we can play with the other slime. Hey guys, so we have this slime and y'all may be thinking, why do I have Play-Doh? Well, that's the question. This isn't really Play-Doh. I'm just using it. Now, if I open this blue Play-Doh, it looks like Play-Doh, but I actually added some stuff to make it look like slime. It's kind of like Play-Doh. Be sure to check it out. The video of what I do.
Slime.
Play-Doh / slime, right?
Yeah.
And so my sister's here now. Now this is Silly Putty. I know it's not slime. I just wanted to add this in. I got this at Crayola. I won it. And so
I got one too, but
yeah, she got one.
But got dried out, so I had to throw it away.
Didn't really get dried out. This is glow in the dark slime. Now this isn't really stretchy. It's jiggly.
Yeah, and that's my sister's, and this is mine.
That is hers. Fart noise slime. I have a blue one.
That is
Blue is like my favorite color.
blue.
And so we are going to be testing these slimes out right now. So here is the Silly Putty fart noise slime. Now my mom says this slime smells yucky, but I think it smells good. Whoa, that just went fine. Good. So yeah, we are gonna test the next slime. I'm so sorry that I had to make this video into 2 videos, but be sure to watch the next video because I didn't end this off because this app that I'm making the videos on, it just made it into 2 videos, so can't put them together, otherwise I can't put them on YouTube. So Be sure to watch it, and bye. Also, subscribe and leave in the comments what do you think I should do next for my next video. Bye.